It is such a beautiful morning. I just had to come out to our patio, and here's interior and design expert Sarah Gunn. She's dressed up our outside for us.
Yes, because you know what? It's outdoor entertaining season, finally.
Finally, yes.
So I've got a bunch of tips here today to help you get outdoor ready for guests and family.
So the first thing we have to do is clean.
Yeah, especially if, like me, regrettably, you have white outdoor furniture. We just talked about this. Yep. Not the best choice, but you can get it clean. I just use a mixture of vinegar and water in a spray bottle.
Okay. And what's the ratio?
I do half and half. You could do like 1/3 vinegar if you don't want the scent to be that strong. Some people add essential oils to it, but I'm going to be honest, it just smells like vinegar and essential oil. So just stick with the OG. It's, you know, environmentally friendly. It's great. Yes. And then I use these microfiber cloths here from Livman, and I give everything a scrub. These are great because they're reusable.
Oh, that's a great scrubby thing.
They're great because they're soft. They're not going to scratch anything, and then you can throw them in the wash and reuse them.
Yep.
Which is awesome. And then let's talk about the ground surface, whether it's a patio, a deck, whatever. You're going to want to give that a sweep, right? And with the amount of rain we've been having, just constant
all the time,
this broom is really, really cool. This is Livman push broom as well. And then you can see across the front there's that squeegee. So with all the water, you just turn that over and you can just scrape it all away, which is really, really, really cool. I've never seen one like that before.
Yeah. So where do you get these products then?
The Livman ones you can get at Canadian Tire.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Everything's clean.
Yes.
Let's decorate.
Okay. So people ask me all the time, like, how do you decorate your outdoor space? And first of all, I say you can hire me, but if you can't hire a decorator, I say treat it like any room inside your home.
Okay.
Right? So you want to invest in larger pieces that are neutral, because you want to be able to maybe switch up your color scheme outside just like you would inside. So then you want to introduce textiles, right? So these will add pattern and color and texture. I love this cushion. This is sort of the starting point for the whole look. You've got all these colors here to choose from for everything else.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So you can add a striped throw there, and you're already making it feel more styled. Then you want to add in layers of decorative details. So vases, pots with some flowers, maybe some candles or some lanterns or those string lights outside.
Yeah.
So you're really sort of completing the look, and focus on the area that you're going to be using. You don't need to decorate your entire backyard.
Right. Don't worry about things that people probably aren't going to see at all.
Or you're not going to be spending time. Right. And this is going to it makes your indoor space feel styled, and it's going to make your outdoor space feel styled too.
And again, you pick those colors from this?
This was
from your starting point.
You always want a starting point. So I like to, when I go to a store, I pull something that's going to be the starting point for everything, whether it's indoors, outdoors. That's how I decorate every room. Okay. So this was it for that. And you can get all of this stuff actually from HomeSense, which is really great.
All right. And you've called this kind of theme cottage core.
Yes.
So what is that?
So, you know, Coastal Grandmother was really in style last year and the year before, and it was a look. And this is the new look for that. Okay. And it's, you can tell by what I'm wearing. I love it. It's pastels, it's florals, it's stripes, it's checks. It's really, really, really pretty. And again, it's going to work with what you've already styled for your outdoor space, and you want to keep that in mind when you're shopping for your entertaining pieces. You want it to work with what's already there.
Right.
So
I love that you have fabric napkins that you can reuse and reuse and reuse, and it's of a material that it doesn't really matter if you get barbecue sauce on it, because you're going to get barbecue sauce.
Of course, I hope so.
Easy to clean up.
Yeah, if it's a good party, you are. Yeah, and then I folded these ones up like bows, which is really cute. And then you've got, you need your serving trays. So this is a really pretty floral. I love how the wicker pieces are coming out in lighter colors now, right? Because that sort of fits with this overall look. And again, your flatware, you can get all different colors now, which is amazing.
Right.
These glasses are great.
I love, so that is glass.
That is glass. So if you have a pool, I would say do not use those. But otherwise, you're okay. What I loved about these ones and why I chose them is they have a lid, which keeps the bugs out of your drink.
Yes.
And then the reusable straws.
A reusable straw.
Which is environmentally friendly, which is great too.
Yeah, because you don't want to have like a beautiful setting and then be throwing away everything that you're using.
You really don't. No. And I love this stuff so much, I want to use it again and again and again. And then the dinnerware.
That's so cute.
It's so pretty with the scalloped edge and then that sort of gingham outdoor pattern. Again, it's pulling in all of these colors and everything just works so pretty together. And you're going to have guests wanting to come back again and again with all of this.
To your cottage core. Now, if you had to pick some pieces so that, for whatever next year's trend comes in, should you look for more solids kind of thing?
Yeah. You know what? When it's interior spaces, I say don't follow trends, follow what you love. Outdoors, you can have a little bit more fun because you're not using it all the time.
And just mix and match.
Mix and match. Always have at least one solid, and then you can switch up maybe one item every year. I don't recommend rebuying everything every year. That's not environmentally friendly.
Sustainable.
No, it's not.
Or maybe switch with your friends.
Oh, that's a
another
good
great
idea.
one. Yeah.
Yeah.
I always look at yard sales and stuff for that
Me too.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
great. We'll get your socials up on our website, chch.com. I got to go back in now.
Oh.
Oh, it's so beautiful out here. You've made it so
nice.
beautiful.
Oh.